Hey everybody, this is Candy from Meladora's Creations, and I decided to take myself out of the office and show you a little bit about, I guess, my apartment that we lived in. I know I talked about so much about finally moving out on our own, and we have. This is our first apartment together as a family. We still have our Halloween decorations up. As you can see, the crochet everywhere around here. I have it on a tripod, so I'm hoping that you can see without it being too shaky. I know some vlogs in the past, people have told me that the camera shakes and it makes them sick. So anyway, I was hoping to get to know you guys a little better. Could you comment down below, tell me how old you were when you first started to crochet? What was the best crochet gift you ever made for somebody? I don't really want to go dark, like the worst, though you can add that if you want. The gift that you made for somebody and then they cracked on it. But I want to hear the good story, the good stuff. Like, who taught you how to crochet? How long you've been crocheting? What's your favorite thing to crochet? And I'm going to read all the comments, and I'm going to give at least 3 people a free PDF from my shop, maybe even a couple, I don't know. If you want a couple, there's 2 that you really want, and you're one of the winners, then I'll give them both to you. But yeah, I just want to use this opportunity to get to know you guys. So please leave a comment below and tell me who you are. Tell me about yourself. So that's it, guys. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye.